this is pure adrenaline and pure fear. Oh, how are we getting on? Alrighty, here we go. So Hurricane Lorenzo is in at the moment. So basically we're going to go for a quick windsurf. So it's a solo mission today, although I believe there's 1 or 2 other windsurfers here. I'm going to go out and show you the conditions now. It was forecast to be around 30 to 40 knots, so we'll see how that turns out. It's looking pretty windy here, actually. It's pretty howling, to be honest. It's looking like cross onshore waves onto the beach here, and then a cross shore breeze. So I'm going to take my 4.0, which is my smallest sail, and see how we go with that. So let's have a look at the conditions here real quick. How you doing, man?
Hey man,
How was it?
keeping well?
Yeah, not too bad.
I tried 4.2, it was too much.
Yeah.
Change it to 3.7.
I got a 4.0 on, so
Holy shite. Yeah.
we'll see how it goes.
Nice.
Well, it's fucking windy anyway. So I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna rig up the 4.0. It is potentially a little bit windy for the 4.0, to be honest, but that is my smallest sail. But I'll just downhaul her and see how she goes. There's 2 lads out there as well, Ross and Oleg. So see how we go. They're on quite a bit smaller sails, but I'm a bit heavier, so I should be able to hold it down. And if not, I'll be picking my gear up off the rocks. Alright, we're all set. It is pounding. Sails downhauled to fuck. Let's see how we go. Let's do it. out there. That wind just picks you up. You see, when you get caught in those waves, like, my fucking god. Okay, that run number 3, that was a lot better. I was a lot more controlled. I was a lot more used to the conditions. So I knew exactly what to expect. You can see probably there a few big jumps coming in. Which isn't hard, there's fucking massive ramps. It's just about keeping that board under control. You got one super right at the start. There's one big fucking ass face jump. I wasn't expecting a jump, to be honest. And yeah, Jesus Christ. I think I got onto waves there at the end a little bit. Fucking bear down it. But you see, so this wall over here, when you're coming back in, if you're pointing towards this wall, you're too far down. And if you go down any further, you're on the rocks. So you can't really bear away onto the waves. I mean, like if I wanted to catch these waves, I could just fucking bear away down them. I get onto them, but it's not worth it because you just end up going downwind. And then if you crash downwind there, then you're having a time. Yeah, but holy shit, I think the wind is actually dropping a little bit now. It's still crazy in the gusts, but it's enough that you're not constantly overpowered. Yeah! Holy shit! Oh, fucking Jesus! Woo! Holy shit! Woo! Oh, my house is dying! Fuck! Actually wasn't too bad. We're just coming in a little close. We would have made it, and then that wave just picked up and just catapult. And then you can see when you get into a situation like that, you're like, alright, I'm well out the shore here. You see it, I get back on. just hopped aboard, went back out, got upwind a bit, topped off, and then came back in to the higher. Let's go for round 5. Man, this shit is pure adrenaline and pure fear. Fucking class. So the game plan here is to drift in, go to the small beach, just taking it nice and chill. Oh Jesus. Wanna avoid that pole. Don't wreck myself. Alright, looks like I've got a clear fucking entry here. So I'm gonna fucking water start again. Oh fuck. You can see that? Oh, oh gusty. Oh, you gusty. Oh. Oh. Fucking Jesus. Alright. It's gonna be interesting. What's the clue? What's the clue? What's the clue? Oh Jesus. The straws, they hurt. Well, that was a little different than I expected. My other option now would have been to ride back out, ride upwind, and then just ride back in no further. But my arms were so dead that at that point it's just easier to fucking drift down and just pop in here. Well, I tell you now, my body is broken after that. That was fucking crazy. That was unreal. Yeah, you really feel it after a session like that. Everything is just like 100% on. Yeah, there's no easing off in a session like that. It is like 100% go the whole time. Once you're out there, like everything has to be spot on. You're gonna be on top of your game, and you'll see even by that footage there, like no matter what you do, you're gonna get fucked around the place. You can almost be certain if there's a hurricane forecast, then it's it's going to deliver, and sometimes it over-deliver. Yeah, as far as hurricanes go, I mean, I guess it's not really a hurricane because there isn't palm trees flying around. And that's got a very different idea of what a hurricane is. This is the second hurricane I've been in this year. So this obviously came up the Atlantic and it died off before it came up. So the west coast of Ireland would have been hit pretty hard by that. So they're probably having a time of it down there now. Holy shit, that's all I can say. Wild, absolutely wild.